Welcome back. So today I'm going to build Mini Belle and Tiana with castle, so we can also put the other four dolls, and that's how we can like fully fill this castle. And so far it's gonna be kind of like empty, like, so the four spots are gonna be empty because I don't have the other dolls yet. So we have a lot of guidebooks actually. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guidebooks, and also 5 bags of Legos. So bag number 1 and 2 is to make Belle and Tiana. So it's very small, so it's kind of cute. So first we're going to make Tiana. So this is actually very nice. This is kind of like the brick heads, but this is also kind of different from the brick heads. So I think this is very new and it's actually very nice. So these are her arms. So we're gonna put her arms over here. This is actually very cute. It's very nice and small. And we're going to make her face now. So you know what? There are so like total, it's like 6 dolls. But if you ask me, Tiana and Belle, they look the prettiest. So that's probably why Lego put them in the bigger sets to make them, you know, collect everything. Because if you buy this set, you don't want to leave like 4 empty spots. Like you want to fill them, don't you? So that's how Lego makes people buy all the sets, because they put the prettiest ones in here. So anyway, I love her hair decorations. It looks so nice. So this is Tiana and she's holding a spoon, but I don't know why she's holding a spoon. I kind of forgot the story, so I don't really know. So that was Tiana, and this is Belle, you know, like the Beauty and the Beast. So this is Belle. So Tiana was wearing like a light green dress, and Belle is wearing a yellow one, of course. So their bodies are actually quite simple, but their heads are actually very nice. I thought their face was gonna be like stickers or something, but there are no stickers in this set, so it's actually printed on the Lego piece. So Belle's hairstyle is a little bit different from Tiana's hairstyle, of course, and she has some like hairband, like yellow one as well, which looks very nice. And I think her hair is a bit longer. I thought these dolls are gonna be like really small, but it is small, but it's not that small, so it's actually nice. So it's small, but not so small. But I think it's, if it's like displayed or something, it's gonna look really small. But when you actually build it, it's not that small. So okay, over here we've got some decorations for her hair over here, and every doll has some things that they're holding. So Tiana was holding a spoon and Belle is holding like a book, like Once Upon a Time book. Okay, so now we've made the dolls. Time to build this castle. So there are 6 spots in here, and every doll has its own space. So this one, as you can see, it's yellow, so of course this one is for Belle. And there's a lot of like repeating in this because every like this room is almost the same, so we're basically repeating the same stuff 6 times. So this is Belle's room, and there's a little bit of green color next to it because it's like a really teeny tiny little like garden space over here. So yeah, it looks like this is actually very nice. It's a very nice and private space, so I like it a lot. So okay, so this is Belle's space, and there's a little tree next to her room which looks very nice. So as you can see, this one is turquoise color. So this is for Jasmine. So as you can see, this is turquoise color and it looks very nice. So we have some things. So Jasmine's room, the floor is not completely flat. We have some like 2 circles over there, remember? That is because Jasmine's not wearing a dress. She's wearing, you know, sort of like pants. So if it's totally like, you know, like if it's like totally flat, she'd keep on falling. So that's why there are 2 circles, so that she could stand and not fall. Because if she's not wearing a dress, it's not very like stable because the surface is much wider. So that's why if you are wearing a dress, you don't have to worry about those sort of stuff. But if you're wearing pants, you'll keep on falling. So anyway, we finished the left part, and now we're putting the roof, like so there are like these some like castle wall things and more trees, and there's also a flower over here that we're gonna put on top of the roof. So after we put these flowers, the left part, yeah, the left part is finished. And now we're making the middle part. So this one, as you can see, is blue. So you might think like, is it for Cinderella or something? But sadly, there is no Cinderella over here. So this is for Elsa. So it looks very nice, actually. It's very nice. The sort of blue color that I kind of like. In every room, there's a heart over there. But if you ask me, I think it would be nice if they put something different. You know, something that is, that is like important to each character. That's something that symbolizes the character, not just boring heart. Like it's a small circle, but there's gonna be the character's faces printed on them or something like that. That will be much more exciting than hearts. So anyway, we finished the room for Elsa, and this one is for Rapunzel. Yeah, so Rapunzel is in the same set as Jasmine, and Elsa. Elsa is with Anna. So that's how. So if you buy like 2 more small sets, you can like fully fill this set. So this is actually very nice purple. Purple is actually one of my favorite colors, but it has to be a light purple. I don't really like dark purples. So anyway, we have some golden things over there. That is how we're going to put them all together. So it looks actually nice, and as you can see, we're really like repeating the same thing over and over again. So yeah, now I don't even have to see the guidebook. Actually, I just memorized them all. So anyway, this is the middle part, so that's why the roof is also more, more fancier. And there's something, this is a castle, and there's something that would like turn, and it looks actually quite nice. So, this set is actually quite big when it's finished. I was actually a little bit surprised by the size. And, that is because this set is like, it's big, but it's expensive, of course, but it's, like not that expensive compared to the size. That is because there's actually like really nothing inside. It's very empty inside, so that is why it's like that. So we can connect these two together now. So the castle, if you're like on top of that castle, you can like sort of like turn, so it's gonna be actually quite nice. So we built 4 rooms and also the castle, and now we just have to make the right part. So this one is for Anna. So this is Anna's signature colors, like her top or her like skirt is this color, right? I kind of forgot because it's been a really long time since I watched Frozen. It's really interesting that Lego keeps on making Frozen sets when it's been a long time since Frozen is finished. I mean, I don't know if there's gonna be Frozen 3 or something, but it's been a long time since there was Frozen 2, but it's interesting that Lego keeps on making, like endless Frozen sets. So there's another little tree over there. So this is the last room, which belongs to Tiana. So this is Tiana's room. I really like the colors. I think the colors are so nice, and it's like really repeating and repeating, so I don't have to see the guidebook. This building this set is actually very easy. This is for like 5-year-olds, but I think like even like 3 or 4-year-olds could manage. Okay, so now we also almost finished Tiana's room, and we're going to put Tiana's room on top of Anna's room and then put them all together. And of course, we also have to make that green roof again, and then that's how this build is gonna be finished. So okay, we're making the same thing actually over here, little castle walls and another tree over here, and also another pink flower over here. And now it is all finished now. It actually looks very pretty. I like the flowers. Now put them all together over here, and it looks so nice actually. It's a castle, but it's kind of funny that they all have their own space, and it's all like, you know, it doesn't really look like a castle, but it kind of looks like a castle, and it's kind of like that. So anyway, we can also put the dolls over here and make them turn. It looks actually very nice. So you know, I always play with the sets after I finish building them, but this is not the sort of set to play with. Like, there's nothing to do with it. It's kind of like more for decorations. So anyway, this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.